you are not afraid of being in love. Honestly, I think no one is afraid of being in love. एंड इतने टाइम बाद मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ खुद के भी एक्शंस और ब्रेन और सबको देखते हुए, क्योंकि मुझे ये लगा दैट हम एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट स्कैर्ड, वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ बीइंग इन लव, we are honestly scared of forgetting our own true self or identity in the process of being love or falling in love or the things that are love related. एक्चुअली पता है क्या होता है, बिकॉज हम इस फॉल्टी चीज के साथ में बड़े हुए हैं ना, कि हमारे पास में ना वो बाय डिफॉल्ट ब्रेन में और ऐसे ना सबकॉन्शियसली फिट है कि प्यार में और प्यार होने में या प्यार करने के बाद यू हैव टू बी 100% अवेलेबल ऑल द टाइम. लाइक आप प्यार तभी कर सकते हो, प्यार तभी शो कर सकते हो जब आप सपना अपना सब कुछ भुला के सामने वाले के लिए ऐसे 100% फुल टाइम डेडिकेटेड रहो, नो मैटर योर प्रेजेंस इज सफोकेटिंग द शेड आउट ऑफ द अदर पर्सन. बट इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड कि यू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ, कि आपका रूटीन नहीं है, आपका लाइफ में चीजें नहीं है, आप अपना एक सेल्फ अपना एक लेट गो कर रहे हो इन ऑर्डर टू बी इन लव. And honestly, that scares the shit out of me, because I'm not a person who forgets myself in the process. Like, I love myself too much, and it is not about only loving ourselves too much. It is about कि सामने वाला also has a particular identity. आप उसको ऐसे पूरे टाइम उसके सर पे बैठ के फोर्स नहीं कर सकते, या आप खुद को उस पे या वो आप पे खुद को फोर्स नहीं कर सकता. लेकिन वो जो माइंडसेट है ना कि नहीं यार, मुझे अगर मैंने बोला कि if my boyfriend is calling कि चल एक पार्टी में चलते हैं, and I'm like नहीं यार मेरे को नहीं जाना, I want to sit at home and like watch a movie or Netflix or whatever. But यहाँ क्या mindset क्या है कि नहीं, if the boyfriend or the husband or the fiance whosoever has requested something, you have to like सब छोड़ छाड़ के जा सिमरन, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. नॉनसेंस हैपेंस कि नहीं, लड़की हैज टू ऑल द टाइम लीव द शिट. आई नो this is not happening anymore, but the expectations are the same, and it is not just the one gender who is responsible. The expectations has raised from all the community, entire community is there, that if there is a feminine energy, whosoever it is, despite of the gender, if you have a feminine energy, then it is expected out of you that you are just willingly leaving everything behind and just following the other person, like the Vodafone and Hutch dog we all remember. And so I am 31 and I have decided not to get married and not to fall in love this shit if this is what is expected out of me. And I have genuinely started loving myself each day, every day, more and more. And the only thing I'm trying to do is make myself a better person for myself. Like अगर यही expectations रही और यही checklist रही, so I think a lot of us are definitely not gonna fall in love with other person, and it is really getting hard day by day because of so many expectations out of a person who has the feminine energy. So I don't know, like if you have something to share, like if you are in the same shithole as I think almost every one of us, please share, and please just let's just discuss about this, because it is happening too much. And all of my friends are people are very woke about things, very woke, extremely. हम तो बहुत open, they say हम open minded हो गए and they are becoming open minded, and I don't know if they are really being open minded or not, but still वो जो hidden expectations का बार है ना, that is still set on the feminine energy. Like it is not even gender biased anymore. It has become a nonsensical shit for the entire community who has a feminine side attached to it. If you are a person who doesn't like to be aggressive about things, then the expectation bar is on you. If you are a person who is like ठीक है suppress कर लेते हैं, then expectation is on you. Then the gender, obviously girls, so I think everywhere is suffering only. But on the whole, it is a matter of a community suffering together, and nobody is addressing it. So the one thing I have loved about myself and the things that I am doing is I make sure if I'm going on a date, if I am, chatting with a person or whatever, I make sure that I'm keeping my routine. I am not, in the wildest of imagination, let my internal self, my true self slip away in between. Like, no matter how good the conversation is going, if it is 11 or 12 and I have to be in bed by 11:30, I just tell the other person straight away कि भाई देख सोने का टाइम है, अब अपन कल बात करेंगे, no matter whatever it is. If I am sitting to study, I just put my phone on silent कि भाई पढ़ाई का टाइम है, I cannot let anyone interrupt me, I just cannot. So like, from a person who is suffering to all the entire community of the feminine people out there, I just want to tell you, no matter how good it sounds, no matter how good it is, keep your routine, keep your passions, keep your friends, keep your space, keep your sacred self alive. प्यार आज है, कल किसी दूसरे से होगा, तीसरे से होगा, एंड द डेटिंग लाइफ गोज ऑन एंड द लाइफ गोज एंड ऑन, बट यू आर देयर फॉर योर सेल्फ. तो ये अपने एक छोटे से कॉन्वर्जेशन या सेकंड डेट के चक्कर में ब्यूटी स्लीप कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करो, क्योंकि ये जो स्किन है ना, इस वजह से जो छोटे छोटे जब पिंपल आ जाएंगे और 4 दिन तक स्ट्रेस रहेगा, एंड देन यू विल ब्लिंक इट थिंग्स कि यार क्या मंगाऊं एक्ने के लिए, वो सारे नॉनसेंस बुलशिट से अच्छा है कीप योर सेल्फ प्रोटेक्टेड, कीप योर सेल्फ ट्रू सेल्फ अलाइव, एंड डू नॉट लेट these butterflies in your stomach you know slip yourself away from you. Like, don't. So I hope this helps, and I would really suggest, if you know a person, a friend, a girlfriend of yours who really needs to make sure that the identity is there and they are not just doing that on the other person, so send them this. Let's just hope ki after hearing all of it, maybe they get some sense and they be a better person. So yeah, let's just support each other and see that every one of us can do better at the same time. So yeah.